In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Bank of America. By the end, you'll know how to start from a Google search, reach the official Bank of America website, open the Contact Us section, and select the message option to get help securely. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type Bank of America and press enter. On the results page, look for the official listing that clearly shows the bankofamerica.com domain. It's a good idea to avoid sponsored ads and any links with unusual spellings. Before you click, hover over the link and confirm the URL includes bankofamerica.com and shows a secure padlock in the address bar. This helps you steer clear of phishing sites and ensures you're on the legitimate page. Once you're on the Bank of America homepage, locate the Contact Us option. Depending on your device, you might find it across the top navigation or down in the footer at the bottom of the page. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first to see it. Click Contact Us to open the bank support hub. This page gathers all the official ways to reach customer service. So if you ever need to verify how to contact the bank, this is the safest place to look. On the Contact Us page, find and select the message option. This is the bank's secure messaging feature designed for customers to send questions or requests through online banking. When you click message, you may be prompted to sign in before continuing. That's normal. Secure messaging is protected to keep your information safe. After sign-in, you'll be able to compose and send your message within the secure portal. Keep your note clear and concise and never include sensitive details like full account numbers or any security credentials. A few quick tips to make this smoother: make sure the page URL continues to show bankofamerica.com and remains secure with HTTPS. If the Contact Us link or message button doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or try a different browser. Also, if your browser language or region is set differently, you may see slightly different wording or placement, but the Contact Us page will still point you to message. When you're done, sign out of your session, especially on shared or public devices. That's it. You used Google to find the official site, opened Contact Us, and selected message to reach support securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.